Are we rolling?
Yep, rolling.
Alright, so this is a flyby video of this. I get some of them good sounds. Man, you sure you don't want to go to the other side of the neighborhood and do this? Like, it's 25 speed limit in here. Or, well, I probably shouldn't say that.
I don't think you got to worry about it.
Oh.
Not on that thing.
Come on.
Gonna put your helmet on?
Yeah.
Between that and your
safety first.
Between that and your athleisure, you should be pretty well protected.
Dress for the slide, baby. Dress for the slide, right?
Those your riding boots?
Safety first, yep. Yep, all right. Now, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna fire this puppy up. Took off, gas on. Hit it.
Ready as I'll ever be. Had to come out here and get these ride-by videos because they're so useful. Can really tell a lot about the mechanical soundness of a machine by watching it fly by for 2 seconds. Oh man, here he comes. There he goes. Yeah.
I mean, with the video, you think we're good?
It was really tough to capture you. You're going so fast.
Yeah, I know. I think, yeah. I won't say what I hit, but you know, I was doing the speed limit.
Yeah.
All right.
I think we got the baby crying in the background. It's always good. Yeah.
We probably woke him up with this monster.
Yeah. Loud pipes save lives.
That's right.
Look at that leg.
Look at that. Yep.
All right, we'll cut her off.